So next we continue with the analysis of merge sort. So analysis of merge sort, it's an important thing. Okay. So in merge sort, two recursive calls, are made. Each recursive focus on n by 2 elements. Focus on n by 2 elements, and after each recursive calls, one call made to combine to sublist. Okay, that is merge function. So write it as T of n equal to T of n by 2. This is for sorting a left sublist, this is for sorting a right sublist, plus merge function for n greater than 1. Okay, then T of 1 equal to 0 if n equal to 1. If n equal to 1 means no need of call the sorting functions. So if n is equal to 1, there is no operation getting performed. So T of 1 is equal to 0. So here write it as T of n by 2. First T of n by 2 is for sort left sublist, and the next T of n by 2 for right sublist, and next one Cn is for, C is a constant, n is for combine or merge function. Okay, so we can obtain the time complexity of merge sort by two methods. Okay, so two methods for obtain time complexity. Okay, so one is a master theorem, second one substitution method. Substitution method we already discussed. Substitution methods. Okay, so we start with the master theorem. So let's start with the recurrence relation for merge sort is, let the recurrence relation for merge sort is T of n equal to T of n by 2 plus T of n by 2 plus Cn. So simplify this term, T of n equal to 2 into T of n by 2 plus Cn. So this is, make it as equation 1 for n greater than 1, and another one equation T of 1 is equal to 0 if there is no if there is only one element, no need to perform sorting. This is for n is equal to 1, no operation performed. So T of 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this will be a equation 2. Okay, so as per master theorem, we have three formulas to solve a recurrence relation. So for once again repeat this. So the general form of this equation is A into T of n by b plus en. This is the general term. So we going to apply three master theorems. First one is a T of n equal to theta of n is equal to theta of n power d log n. So this is for if a equal to b power d. Another one, second one, theta of n power d. This is for if a greater than b power d. Third one, T of n is equal to theta of n log to the base b a if a, so this is for a less than, this is for a greater than b power d. Okay, so here we can apply this formula from this recurrence relation. Okay, so as in equation 1, what is a and b values? So in the a location you have value 2, in the b location you have value 2. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 2. So here check which one is suitable for this a and b values. The first one. Okay, so a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2, a and b equal. So what is the d value here? 1. D is equal to 1. So apply T of n is equal to theta of n power 1 log n. Okay, so the time complexity of merge sort as per the master theorem is theta of n log n. Okay, this is a direct method to obtain a time complexity for one layered divide and conquer methodology. Okay, so we move to the substitution method. So next we move to the second method called substitution method. T of n is equal to 2 into T of n by 2 plus en. Okay, so here we already we framed these two equations in a master theorem itself. We are going to prove this in the substitution method. So here let us apply, so write it right, let us apply substitution on equation 1. Assume n is equal to 2 power k. So substitute 2 power k instead of n in the equation 1. So write T of, instead of T of n, T of 2 power k equal to 2 into T of, what is n value? 2 power k divided by 2 plus c into 2 power k, n value 2 power k. So now we are going to simplify 2 into T of 2 power k. So we write it as 2 power minus 1. This 2 will be written as 2 power minus 1 plus c into 2 power k. Okay. Again I am going to simplify 2 into T of 2 power, can join these two, k minus 1 plus c dot 2 power k. Now I am going to apply a substitution method. Substitution is nothing but a backward, both forward and backward substitution is there. So here we follow only using a backward substitution. So backward substitution is, so for 2 power k, I am write it as a k minus 1 here. K minus 1 here and k here. So what is the previous term for k minus 1? K minus 2, previous term. So I am write it as the previous term for this T of 2 power k minus 1. So this, keep this outside. I want to write it for 2 power k. For 2 power k, I am write this whole term. 2 power k, I am write it as 2 into t 2 power k minus 1 plus c dot 2 power k. So 2 power k minus 1, again I am write it as t into 2 into t 2 power, what is the previous term for this one? K minus 2 k plus c dot, what is the previous term for k? K minus 1, 2 power k minus 1. Okay, then write the same, plus c dot 2 power k. Okay, now I am simplify this multiplying with the 2, 4 t 2 power k minus 2 plus 2 star c dot 2 power k minus 1 plus c dot 2 power k. Next I am going to simplify the term. Okay, 4 into t of 2 power k minus 2 plus 2, I am going to write c dot 2 power k divided by 2. So 2 power minus 1, I am write it as like here to cancel these values for c dot 2 power k. Okay, again I am going to simplify 4 t 2 power k minus 2 plus 2 power 2 c dot 2 power k plus c dot 2 power k 2 c 2 power k. Okay, so write like this. Next I am going to simplify once again to apply the formula. 2 into, how you can write the 4, 2 power 2. Okay, 2 power 2 t into 2 power k minus 2 plus 2 dot c power 2 power k. Okay, so I am continue with this. So similarly, okay, so similarly I can write, so t of n is equal, the similarity of 2 power k is equal to 2 power 3. So inga 2 power 2 square no, so t 2 power 3 2 power k minus 3 plus 3 dot c dot 2 power k. Okay, next it will be increment the values 2 power 4. So general term, okay, 2 power k minus 4 plus 4 dot c dot 2 power k. So for this you going to form a general formula. So here this will be repeated, k equal to this value 3 3 3. So instead of, I am take it as a common variable k, 2 power k t of 2 power k minus k plus 4 dot c dot 2 power k. So this is 4 is nothing but k. This is a k value, general term. So I take a general term to prove the time complexity of merge sort. Okay. So here simplify 2 power k into t of 2 power 0. 2 power 0 plus k dot c dot 2 power k. Okay. So next is equal to 2 power k t of 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is nothing but 1. Okay. So 2 power 0 is 1 plus k dot c dot 2 power k. T of 0. What is t of 0? T of 1 is 0. So this term getting 0. 0 plus k dot c dot 2 power k. So here for this t of 2 power k, we can simplify with t of 2 power k is equal to k into c dot 2 power k. So from this we can't prove the time complexity. So we can define this equation. Okay, we can simplify. We can take this 2 power k is equal to 1 here. So here t of 1 equal to 0, right, for your reference. Then here take 2 power k is equal to n. You can change like this. So t of n is equal to k dot c dot n. So this will be, take it as equation 3. So next take n equal to 2 power k. So we are substitute n is equal to 2 power k, no. So here we take log on both sides. Okay. So in this equation take log on both sides, log n. So you can write it as log to the base 2. Okay, is equal to log to the base 2 power k. Okay, So now you can again simplify log to the base 2n equal to, so we can apply the formula k into log to the base 2 power 2. So here log to the base 2 equal to 1. Okay, so log to the base 2n equal to k. So k equal to log to the base 2n. So k value will be, find it as log 2n. Okay, so in this equation 3, okay, equation 3, in equation 3 substitute k equal to log to the base 2n. So what is equation 3? T of n equal to k into c dot n. So here you want to substitute k value. So T of n equal to, okay, what is k value? Log to the base 2n dot n, then c. C is a constant. No need of considering c for time complexity. C is a constant. So T of n equal to c into n dot log n. So this is the time complexity for merge sort. Okay, here both best and best worst average cases are same. Best and worst and average case for merge sort is order of theta of n log n. This is the time complexity obtained by using substitution method. Okay, thank you.